This is a quick screencast to talk about transmission errors on a network. So we've got a home router connected to some wireless device with a wireless access point, and here to a computer with an Ethernet cable. Now, if the computer is trying to send a 1 at exactly the same time when the home router, the switch in the home router is trying to send 0. Now, electrical signals, speed of light, over such a short distance, it's instant. So it's not as if they were bumping into each other. It's just that this device here is going to try to bring down the voltage to 0, while that one is trying to bring it up to 5 volts. So we don't know what's going on here. And in any case, you cannot have both of them trying to communicate with each other in opposite direction at the same time. Now, there are some protocols in place to make sure that this doesn't happen, that not every Ethernet transmission is going to happen on exactly the same cable. And in any case, the TCP/IP protocol will request that whatever packet has been damaged or lost will be resent. Meanwhile, with your wireless access point, now you've got a radio signal, the same radio signal on the same frequency, on the same channel, that is being broadcast in all directions. And every one of those is going to receive it. And you can imagine that if both these devices are trying to send packets back again at exactly the same instant, the same moment in time, this just cannot happen. So there are some other protocol to deal with Wi-Fi signal to ensure this doesn't happen. And it's going to be a case of they take it in turn to communicate with the wireless access point. But if you have to take it in turn, that means that some device may have to wait. So again, you're introducing some form of delay. So this has something to go with latency. If the whole network is being slowed down because one device is taking longer than it should in order to send its packets. So if you are to answer a question about this aspect of the curriculum, this may be your chance to bring in the fact that newer technology tends to be faster. So if you've got a question and then they say that the network in school is too slow, what can you do about it? Then you can make recommendations such as upgrading from Cat5 to Cat6 cable. You can upgrade the switches in the school to newer and faster ones, which will be able to process the packets faster, so taking less time, freeing up time for other devices to communicate with them. Thank you for this. I hope it clarifies a few things, and I look forward to seeing your answers.